Nano, what is nano? Think about the dimension of a coin and try to put them in a path of 10,000 kilometers.
It comes from Greek word nanos, that means dwarf, a very little tiny creature.
About that big. We don't see.
1 nanometer is 10 to minus 9 meter.
Nanoids in our body.
And we have this very special microscope that you can see the signal atoms. And not only see them, but you can also pick them up and move them and manipulate them.
So we can zoom in into almost anything. So it feels like you're walking into Legoland.
So once we can know, understand and manipulate processes at the nanoscale, we can reach some big technological advances.
In physics, chemistry, electronics, biology, medicine, energy, engineering.
I know that I can do this. I know that I could prove them wrong.
From the moment that we woke up and until we go to bed, it's a part of our life.
It's within the carton of milk and it's a coating on your sunglasses.
Nanofibers that make our jackets more resistant to water or to flame.
Nanocellulose that they can be used as prostheses.
I never felt so strong.
If it wasn't for people having figured out how to put information into magnetic nanocrystals, YouTube as we know it wouldn't exist.
Nano is that important because we are challenging huge problems like the climate change.
Imagine using the excess waste heat from an exhaust engine to power your mobile phone.
This is where nano plays a key role for cleaning of the environment, cleaning of gases, cleaning of waters.
But it's much more important in the direction of medical diagnostics, medical therapies.
The aim of this research is to find new mechanisms and develop new drugs to cure disease such as cancer.